For today's video, figured I'd melt a whole bunch of this aluminum down and pour an aluminum bar. I got about 20 ounces of copper here. We'll make a nice couple of copper bars, maybe 3 or 4, depends. And then I've got some generic silver rounds. I want to make a 10 ounce, 3/9 fine silver round. So stick with me. We'll get this video started, fire up the Devil Forge, and do some pours. Well, unfortunately, I ran out of copper to make the final bar, which means these are probably a little bit more than 5 ounces a piece. They're probably like 5.5, 6 ounces each, which will make this one a little bit short, of course. But I'm happy with those 3. We'll remelt that one another time. The aluminum bar came out pretty nice. I'm not gonna polish it today. Like I said before in previous videos, I don't have the tools to polish it properly. I took some steel wool and just kind of ran it across it a little bit to at least have a little bit of a shine, but obviously that's far from a mirrored finish. We're not worried about that right now. Copper bars came out great though. Love them. Obviously, I tried to clean out the Crucible as much as possible. There's a little bit of the aluminum in there, which gave it a little bit of a gold tint on it, but by the time these are polished up, even though they're pretty shiny already, it'll remove most of that. They'll look really nice. At the end of the day, the really bad news is I ran out of propane. So no sense trying to melt silver this video. Sorry that I said I would do silver, but it's not gonna happen today. Last thing I wanna do is start melting and run out of propane completely and then not be able to finish the pour. Let me bring these upstairs in the room. We'll get a closer look at them. I might do a little bit of polishing on these with my wire brush just to see how it comes out, but I'll bring it back in once I'm in the room. All right, we've got the bars in the room. Again, all I want to do is rough up the top so that I didn't have any sharp edges, which these look a little sharp and they definitely could use a polish in my tumbler, but we'll save that for another video. First, I wanted to go ahead and weigh up in troy ounces the amount of aluminum we got out of all that aluminum I've been saving up. 17.6 roughly troy ounces, and if we put it on grams, we've got about a little over half a kilo, 546 grams of aluminum. It's crazy how big this is, but how light it really is. Still a cool pour. Obviously with aluminum, it cools faster and it has air pockets in it. I probably could have shook the mold a little bit and tried to settle that down, but man, it took forever, as you guys saw, for this guy to cool. For these ones, I'm gonna set it to troy ounces. Now these were 5 ounce cubes, not troy ounce. I was trying to get 5 troy ounces on each. Let's see how close we got. 4.9, not bad. 5.2, little over. And 4.95, so about 5. So if I would have took a little bit off this one and gave it to that one, we'd have 3 bars right around 5 troy ounces. And then this one, a lot smaller, 2.4 troy ounces. That was the leftover. We'll remelt that. Again, sorry about the silver not being poured. That'll just make for another silver-only video. I'll pick up some more generic silver rounds and bars, get those melted, and we'll make a silver video next. Hopefully you enjoyed this aluminum and copper pour. If you did, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And as always, everyone, happy stacking, happy hunting, and thanks for watching.